Do you want to learn algebra, but you don't have that much time? Well, here's algebra in 2 minutes. And it was made by me, obviously. So, enough chit chat, let's start. First, we got variables. So, if you've ever seen a algebra equation, you may have seen a variable, a letter that represents a number. For example, x plus 7 equals 18, right? You may have seen something like that. Well, x, the variable, is just like a blank. So what plus 7 equals 18? You can just subtract 8, you can just subtract 7 by 18, and you get the answer. And so a variable is just an unknown number, and you just find what it equals. Functions. So there will be a x and x, and it will just be like x, this and that. Just replace the number with x. Easy, right? Replace the number with x. Graphing functions. So put in different numbers in and out, and find like the coordinates, and then just draw a line that connects all of them. Yeah. So go search up a graphing thing. Square root. So what number times itself equals that number? For example, 16. The square root of 16 is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, and that's 2 minutes.